So let's say we have a feature where we can add a small checkbox or toggle to checkout, and that charges a percentage of the subtotal of an order. This can be used for something like a percentage fee for shipping insurance, and so let's go over how to do that in Checkout Buddy. So first we have the app open, we go to customizations, create customization, we can create a checkbox product offer, and we can title it demo. We can add the product. For example, for here, we're just going to add a package protection, and it doesn't matter what price it is. It's just we can change that later with one of the customizations. So we set the product, and we don't have any other things that we want to add, or a no display rule. So we're gonna save that, and then we're gonna add that to checkout. So going into settings, checkout, and then we can customize. And this is now, we're in Shopify's checkout editor, so we have a checkout block already here, but just to show how to do that, we can pick a spot to add an app block. So for example, we can add it to order summary. We're going to add it right here and Checkout Buddy. And then we're going to grab the block ID. So that's 12184. Pasted it right in here, include it in Shop Pay, and then that is good for that. If this isn't where you'd like it, you can always move it by dragging and dropping. Let's say we want to move it to contact right now. Yep, so that's really easy to see. And the price, now we can change that. But first we can save this. We can go back to our app. And then we have the checkbox product offer now. We just need to create the price changer. So that is a line. Oh, I refreshed. So, okay. Line item price changer. Line item price changer. And we can set this to apply to the package protection. And then what kind of price change we want? We want a percentage of, let's say, cart total. And we're going to set it to 2% and save. Okay, so now we can go to our checkout and see how that works. So let's just add a snowboard. Add it to checkout, add it to cart, and then we can go to checkout. Okay. Alright, so it's not really applying the price change right now. Sometimes it is cached, so it doesn't really update immediately. So in this case, we can just kind of bust the cache, kind of just update it. So price changer, we can just change the title or something like that. It doesn't have any effect on the function. It just updates the function. And once we update that, now if we refresh this, we can see that it changes the price. The function, the line item price changer, actually takes it into effect right now. So if we do that again, we uncheck it, we check it again, it is now 2% of the cart total. So if we add, let's say, 2 snowboards, it changes the price automatically of the package protection. So one other thing is that we see here that it has the $0 here, but we don't, maybe we don't want that. So we can just go back to our block, our checkout checkbox product offer, and we can check hide price right here. And if we want some more copy or something like that, we can always add some text over here. But for now, we just keep it empty, and then we can refresh again. Okay, so now we just have package protection, and the package protection or insurance, whichever product you want to add, and it automatically changes or updates the price of that product to be a percentage of the cart total. So I hope that helps. If you have anything else, any questions, just leave them in the comments below.